Hello, this is Michael O'Leary from By the Book Taxes with another video on IRS collections. This video is the first in a series that I'm going to do, on IRS tax liens. The reason I'm doing this is I get more phone calls on this topic than any other topic. Typically, people call me. Maybe they've seen one of my videos and they're trying to figure out, they're either trying to sell a property that has an IRS tax lien, buy a property and the seller has IRS tax liens, or they're trying to refinance and there's IRS tax liens. So today's video is just the basics, how IRS tax liens work. I'm just going to go through kind of a top level summary of this. So let's assume a taxpayer files a tax return that has a balance due. The IRS processes the tax return and assesses, that's the technical term, assesses the tax or bills the tax to the taxpayer. The IRS then sends a billing notice to the taxpayer requesting payment. So the taxpayer will get a letter. It'll say, thank you, we've got your tax return. You owe us $25,000. Please pay as soon as possible. 10 days after the date of the billing notice requesting payment, what's called a silent lien arises automatically by law if the balance is still unpaid. A silent lien means that the taxpayer is not notified. Most people who come to me say, no, there's no tax liens on me. They didn't send me anything that said there's tax liens. Here's the inside scoop. They don't have to. If you file tax returns, you have a balance due, they send you a bill. If they assess the tax, send you a billing statement, 10 days goes by, you don't pay, there's a lien, whether you know it or not. These liens are filed. This is another very important point. People call me up and they say, I've got a lien on my house. I've got a lien on my investment rental property. This is a major misunderstanding. Liens are not filed on your house or your individual assets. Liens are filed under a taxpayer's social security number in the town or county where the taxpayer resides, where they have a business, or where an investment rental property is located. I'm going to share my screen here for a second because I want you to see something. Okay, so this is actually an IRS document. You see in the top left-hand corner, facsimile federal tax lien document. All the information identifying somebody is redacted. But come down here. So this lien is for December 31st of 2011. The social security number is redacted. Notice they don't say the lien is on 123 Main Street. They say the lien is placed on somebody's social security number. That's how it works. And it says the tax was assessed on December 29th, 2014. Essentially, there's 10 years to collect it, and that's the balance due. Now, liens attach to taxpayers' assets, but they're not placed on the assets themselves. They are placed upon a taxpayer's social security number. If the taxpayer owes more than $10,000, the IRS may also issue a notice of federal tax lien, making other creditors aware that the taxpayer owes federal income taxes. The lien and the notice of lien are two separate and distinct things. I'm going to share my screen again so you can see this. So here's the actual notice of federal tax lien. You may never get one of these, but you might still have liens placed against you. They just didn't notify you of it. And maybe you owed less than $10,000, so they never issued one of these. But just because you don't get one of these doesn't mean that there isn't a lien. Okay? So if you have any questions about this, how these liens work, please give me a call. I can help. I'm going to put up my contact information here. There's the lien. Here's my business card. Michael O'Leary, Norwalk, Connecticut. There's my cell, my fax, my email, my website. And here's the services I provide. Tax preparation, 1040, 1041, and the various tax resolution options. Installment payment agreements, offer and compromise, currently not collectible. If there's hardship, innocent spouse, if there's a tax debt left over from a divorce, penalty abatement, liens and levies, payroll tax delinquencies. I offer CPA quality without CPA prices. So if you have years of unfiled tax returns or are getting threatening collection letters from the IRS or the state, please give me a call. I can help. The next videos you're going to see are more detailed videos on liens. So stay tuned.